2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1, Oxford white, 27,000 miles, some tasteful mechanical modifications. Let's take it for a test drive. 2004 Ford Mustang Mach 1. This is a Mach 1 that I purchased from a private customer out of California. Unfortunately, he was a gentleman that had some health issues pop up. I bought the car directly from him, and it's just a really nice and a very cool Mach 1. It's got some tasteful mods done to it. We'll dive into that here in this video in just a little bit. This is a 27,083.8 mile car as of this test drive video. It runs and performs, and it's probably better than it would have been from factory due to some of the mechanical stuff that's been done. It has your stock dual overhead cam 32 valve 4.6 that these Mach 1s were born with. This one does have an aftermarket cold air intake on it. This one is backed by the 4R70W automatic overdrive transmission. It shifts great, it shifts spot on. I don't know if someone tuned the transmission because it shifts better than factory. I've had a bunch of these cars in the automatic setup, and this one just shifts on point. There's no laziness to the shifts at all. What's really cool about this Mach 1 is it does have a Terminator independent rear suspension swap done on it. The biggest difference when it comes to the suspension from the Terminators and these Mach 1s is the Terminators, again, came with independent rear suspension. Obviously a little bit higher performance than the Mach 1s. The gentleman I bought it from paid to have a full independent rear suspension swapped underneath this car, which is just absolutely killer. Have your standard AC, which blows nice and cold. Hydroboost with discs all the way around. Power steering with rack and pinion. So all your standard equipment that the Mach 1s came with, this one still has. It just has the full independent rear suspension in the back. And it does everything you'd want a 27,000 mile car to do. It performs just excellent. Does have aftermarket mufflers. I believe they're a Magnaflow muffler, and then it has custom tailpipes to go around the independent rear suspension, and then it's got a Bassani chrome tips on both sides. Exhaust sounds great. When we do our return trip here, I'll get into the throttle a little bit more now that it's warmed up some. Interior is your code AW Mach 1 interior. Very little bit of bolster wear on the edge of the driver's seat from getting in and out. That's really going to be about it. There's a couple like light spots on the top of the dash, in the very, very center up there, right underneath the Ford logo. There's like a little light spot in the dash. I mean, that's super minimal. Headliner, visors, all that stuff looks brand new. Center console's great. Glove box, console lid, all that stuff opens properly. And then you have your standard power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, all that stuff functions brand new, like brand new. On the interior here, you do have a aftermarket Pioneer stereo. It's a really nice setup. It has Bluetooth, and then that does have an aftermarket backup camera that's mounted to the license plate bracket in the back. So you do have a backup camera, which these, again, would have never had. Just very stock outside of the stereo. Very, very nice original interior. You do also have the Bluetooth microphone up here in the corner. It's warmed up. We'll get after it here a little bit. Just nothing to complain about. Just a great running car. Get performance on these. They're 305 horse and 320 foot-pounds of torque in the stock configuration. This one's probably got a little bit more, being that it's got the cold air intake, the full aftermarket exhaust on it. Not full aftermarket, but mufflers, tailpipes. Just runs great. Nothing to complain about mechanically. Something you can drive every single day. On the underneath, super clean. Floors are great. Has your factory bolt-in subframe connectors. No issues on the bottom, just a very, very squeaky clean floors, frame rails, everything's just great on this car. On the exterior, code Z1 Oxford white. Excellent color for this body style Mustang. These Mach 1s look just great in the Oxford white. You have your shaker hood, you have your rear wing, obviously all of your Mach 1 decals. Just give this car an awesome, awesome look. You have your stock Mach 1 wheels up front with date code of 2015 on those tires. The rear wheels are the brand new 10.5-inch wide rear wheels that mimic the original Mach 1 wheels, just a little bit wider. Tires are brand new 2025 date code in the rear. Front tires, again, 10 years old, but no dry rot, no hard spots, no cracking, so they're good to go. Just with the wheel and tire combo with that staggered set on these Mach 1s, they just look great. It just gives it a more aggressive stance, especially from the rear. They're really wide. It looks obviously more like a Terminator. Just looks great. Suspension, this does have aftermarket caster camber plates, factory bolt-in subframe connectors like we mentioned before. That rear end is the Terminator swapped independent rear suspension, so a little bit more performance than these would have had from the factory. Front end is great, steering is great, brakes do everything you want them to do. Zero complaints on this car mechanically. Something that, again, I would drive every single day. Just a very, very comfortable car. The driving position, these are a 6-way adjustable driver's seat. They are a manual passenger seat. Larger individuals can fit in here, shorter individuals can fit in here. Tons of room between me and the steering wheel. The seat will go back a little bit further. It'll manually recline. So if you are a lot taller, there is plenty of room for you to still be comfortable. This is cool, being that it's an automatic. I mess with a lot of the 5-speeds. I do get some of the automatics. The driving position with your arm on the console, the way the shifter is set up, I always drive with my left hand on the top of the steering wheel, and it is, again, very, very comfortable to cruise. Mach 1 gauges are super easy to read. Front to back, headlights, all the way to the tail lights, and everything in between is functioning like it should from the factory on this car. All of your glass is in factory original and very nice condition. I don't see any major issues with the windshield. Side windows roll up and down like they should. They are a power window. Back glass is the rear defrost. No issues with the back glass. You do have your, I believe these are a Mach 460 sound system, but you still have the factory speakers in the back. And we'll roll into it here a little bit. On the shifter handle here, you do have the overdrive button. So you have the button on the left to shift through the gears, and then right below that there's a little button you can press to kick the overdrive on and off. And you have a little green button, or a little green light that comes on the dash when you kick it off. You have your traction control, rear defrost, and then your fog light button. All that stuff works. Floor mats, carpet, door panels, if I didn't mention it earlier, all in very nice original shape. And this is just a kick-ass Mach 1. I love the color on it. The Oxford white is great. The paint itself is very clean. It has a couple small little imperfections in the paint. Some little nicks, little minor stuff. In my additional informations tab on my website, pcclassiccars.com, you will see the clean Carfax, you'll see the Marty report, and you will see photos of the little imperfections in the paint. We'll also superimpose them into this video so y'all can see that. Also, check that out. That was a big word for Michael to use there, so that's pretty funny. But again, we'll put the photos of the imperfections in this video so you guys can check it out, or the additional informations tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. But overall, this is, again, just a kick-ass Mach 1, something that I would drive every single day. It is a blast to rip around on the open road. Has a lot of good stuff going for it. Great miles, 27,000. Just a killer car. And no one's coming, so let's get after it. And there you have it. Just a really fun Mach 1 to drive. I'm Mike. This is my 2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1 in Oxford white with 27,000 miles. Check out the additional informations tab on my website, pcclassiccars.com, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.